Did your favorite meme just get a major boost? Yep, thank Elon Musk for that. So you're probably wondering what Elon Musk did this time. The tech billionaire and Tesla CEO has once again flexed his Twitter, X muscles. This time he's got his sights set on PEPE, the popular memecoin that's been making waves. Elon shared a cheeky post that read, "Make a funny PEPE meme about making PEPE memes," and like clockwork, the PEPE price spiked faster than you can say to the moon. We all know Musk has a history with memecoins, especially his beloved Dogecoin, but PEPE, well, it looks like it's getting a slice of that Musk magic. It's not the first time a tweet from Elon has sent the crypto world into a frenzy, and it certainly won't be the last. With just a few words and an image, he's managed to pump up the excitement and the price of PEPE. So what does this mean for you? If you're holding some PEPE, it might be time to keep an eye on your portfolio. And if you're not, well, consider this your heads up that Elon Musk's tweets can change the game in an instant. Stay tuned, crypto enthusiasts, because you never know which coin might get the Musk treatment next. And remember, always do your own research before diving into the crypto ocean. See you next time.